Welcome back, Umaka. As Ekele ends, a new season begins. Afọ Ọ, hụrụ, the new year is almost here. At the end of the year, families say Daalu to their Chi. For life, for laughter, for quiet moments, and for spending time with their umunna. On the 31st night, families gather quietly. Siblings, aunties, uncles, all sitting close, sharing stories, praying softly. Inye Chi Ekele n'ọgwụgwụ afọ. Thanking God for the journey so far. And when the clock strikes midnight, it's the first day of the new year, a new beginning. Afọ Ọ, hụrụ. Everyone shouts, Happy New Year! Ekele Afọ Ọ, hụrụ. Hugs everywhere. Ịhụnanya, love, filling the whole compound. Hearts dance with gratitude. Obi Ekele.
Chi-foo. When daylight comes, the feasting continues. Osikapa, anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ewu, everybody eating, smiling, and wishing one another Happy New Year. Taa, anyị mụtara okwu ndị a. Today, we learned these new words. Afọ Ọ, hụrụ, New Year. Anụ, meat. Chi, God or personal guardian spirit. Chi-foo, Daybreak. Ekele, gratitude. Daalu, thank you. Osikapa, rice. Umaka, as Afọ Ọ, hụrụ begins, may your days be sweet, your laughter be loud, and your hearts full of love. Keep practicing your Igbo. Ka Afọ Ọ, hụrụ dịrị unu mma. Bye!